My dear students, hope you are all well. You all welcome to Bulbul Tutor English channel. এই চ্যানেলে অর্থাৎ এই ভিডিওটিতে আমি তোমাদের সেন্টেন্সের কাইন্ডস অফ সেন্টেন্স নিয়ে আলোচনা করব। এর আগের একটি ভিডিওটিতে সাবজেক্ট প্রেডিকেট নিয়ে আমি আলোচনা করেছিলাম। আশা করি ভিডিওটি দেখে তোমরা উপকৃত হয়েছো। যদি ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগে একটি লাইক করো, বন্ধুদের মধ্যে বেশি বেশি করে শেয়ার করো, সাবস্ক্রাইব করে রেখো এবং যারা যারা আমার চ্যানেলটি নতুন ফলো করছো যদি সাবস্ক্রাইব করে রাখো, আমার পাঠানো সমস্ত আপলোডস করা ভিডিওসগুলো তোমরা তোমাদের মোবাইলে আগে আগে পেয়ে যাবে। শুরু করছি কাইন্ডস অফ সেন্টেন্স। You have learned that a sentence can be a statement, a question, a request, a comment, a denial or a response. Read these sentences. Number 1, I like mangoes. Number 2, it is not raining. Number 3, our pet dog is very playful. All these sentences state something. An assertive sentence make a statement. It is also known as a declarative sentence. Assertive sentences are of two kinds, affirmative and negative sentence. Look at this sentence. The knife is blunt. Number 2, the knife is not sharp. The two sentences convey the same meaning, but one does so negatively while the other state it positively. A sentence that tells us that something exists or something is happening is called an affirmative sentence. An affirmative sentence is also known as a positive sentence. A sentence that states that something does not exist or that something is not happening is called a negative sentence. Read this sentence that asks questions. Where is my umbrella? Number 1 হচ্ছে where is my umbrella? Number 2, has the gardener sown the seeds? An interrogative sentence asks questions. There are two kinds of interrogative sentence, yes or no questions and WH questions. Read these sentences. Number 1, can you swim? Number 2, does your brother play tennis? When we ask this sentence or questions, we expect the answer to be yes or no. So they are called yes or no questions. We use helping verb like be, have, do, can, should, may or will to ask yes or no questions. In such questions, the helping verb comes before the subject and the main verb comes after the subject. For example, can you read out this story? Number 2, are the Guptas coming? Now read these sentences. Number 1, where did you go yesterday? Number 2, who is your favorite writer? Questions that begin with why, what, when, which, who, whom, whose and how are called WH question. Like yes or no questions in WH question 2, the helping verb comes before the subject and the main verb comes after the subject. Now read the sentence. Go away or please close the window request. Number 3, study well, advice. A sentence that gives a comment or an order, makes a request or gives advice is called an imperative sentence. In an imperative sentence, the subject is usually left out. The subject is understood to be you. In most sentences, for example, apologize right now, you go away. Now read this sentence. What a lovely painting. Number 2, what a dark night. A sentence what express strong feeling is called an exclamatory sentence. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe it and comments in my comment box. Thank you for watching this video.